Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you enable do not disturb in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to enable guys do not disturb in Vivo phone, so as you can enable. And guys, now let's see guys how to enable do not disturb in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. Guys, first of all guys, come in your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys click on guys the sound setting. Guys click on do not disturb. Guys click on turn on now, so guys you can enable it do not disturb in your Vivo phone. And guys after that guys you cannot listen any sound, ringtone guys, alarm ringtone, dial pad tone, like that guys you cannot listen any sound in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable do not disturb in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.